said I didn't know
My
it was
life.
coming.
Yes. That's a good answer.
Life.
Right now.
Life. Pretty much life. Maybe
That's
right
what I
now.
said. My life.
My most awkward moment would have to be when my marching band pants ripped during marching season my sophomore year.
Go.
Play it. You got this? Okay. My most awkward moment was being born because I was so uncomfortable. It was cold and there was people around me with their masks on and I was screaming. I didn't scream that long actually, but I was naked and everyone was looking at me and I was all purple. It was weird. It was just awkward.
My most awkward moment was pretty much all of freshman year because looking back, I feel so ashamed. I was one of those freshmen you just see in the hallway and you're just like, go away. I'm so sorry. Seniors of, what was it, 2010?
2011.
2011, I apologize for being a freshman because I can't sleep at night. It haunts me. It's just rough. It's rough.
One thing, when I meet a doctor for physical, and my doctor say I have to take my pen, and then what? And he say I have to take underwear too. Really? And I take off already, and he say I have to move around, and he touch private area, and I have to say, and I have to do 2 times. I'm so shocked. It's a bad. I never forget that part. Never. And I go to a Miss Doctor for physical, and we have to check body. And one thing I never know before, and my doctor have said I have to take off my pants, and and the next one I have to take underwear, and oh my goodness, and he say I have to move around, and he touched my dick, and and I have to say it 2 times, and oh my god, it make me scary. I can't forget this part forever.
Oh my god.